Some baked ziti. Let's make it.
2 chicken breasts.
Cut each breast in 4 big chunks. Now we're gonna boil this chicken, but we're definitely gonna add some danos. And some green onion. Get you another pot of water boiling, add you some salt. We're using 1 pound of penne pasta. That's the pasta that looks like that. Now get your boiled chicken. You're gonna need 2 forks and just simply shred it apart. Now we got all our chicken pulled, get your danos, sprinkle it on the chicken, get you some of the juice. Pour it right over the top, mix it all in. Now get you a 13x9. We're gonna add about half the noodles. Get you some of your favorite marinara. Put about half the jar in. Mozzarella cheese. A generous coating of danos. Pop, 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 pop. Now we add our chicken. Add the rest of our noodles and the rest of our marinara sauce. Use the rest of your mozzarella cheese. Get your danos seasoning. That's the cream top. In our 400-degree oven we go. 25 minutes later. I just showed you how to do it. Go make it. Yum, yum, get you some.